All right, the first couple of cuts this morning, we're cutting some 1/8 inch aluminum. Here's our part. We got just a little line of draw, so I've tried adjusting my focus as much as I can, but pretty good setting just to get started with. I don't know if I'll ever be able to get all the dross off the back of that. I'll show you my set points that I came up with this morning. So this is, and if any of you guys got a better set point than me, I'm learning too. We're gonna learn together. So my cut speed is at 200 inches a minute. My nozzle height's at 0.019, using nitrogen at 150 PSI. Like I said, 2,000 watts, 100% duty cycle, pulse frequency is 5,000. I'm at negative 0.075 focus. Now, I ran it at negative 0.060 and negative 0.059, and really like no significance difference. But and all in all, I mean, the machine is accurate. I had to use my compensation on my holes just a little bit. Come here, Katie. This is my helper here. I'm gonna have to get her to hold it, and we're gonna measure some diameters of these holes. So we're gonna zero that out. This is supposed to be a 1 inch hole. We're 1.003, and I think it just really 1.002. This is supposed to be 1/2 inch. And like I said, I think it really just depends on where you put your calipers. 0.506. And then our outer diameter, I hadn't checked this one. Supposed to be 4 inches, so 3.997. So we're within 3 thousandths. And like I said, it sometimes it just depends. There it is, dead on the money. It just depends on where you put. Maybe if you're hitting a little bit of slag or something. But this is why you go to laser. Look at this. I mean, hole quality, and this is a pretty good little test part, because you got a hole and a slot. You can test your lead ends. Like I have arcs on the circles. I put a straight line on the circle with an arcing out, and then I do like over here, I've just got an arc in lead line. But man, I'm really impressed. Thanks again, ShopSabre, for trusting me to represent your brand, buddy. And Brandon, thank you. The machine's everything you said it would be. I'm really impressed. Like I said, if you guys got better set points than I have, maybe you can get a better cut than that. This is my first day cutting the aluminum. We're cutting with nitrogen, 150 PSI basically. I've tried it everything from 130 to 170, even, you know, experimented a little bit down to 100, just see what it would do. And these are, I mean, you can't beat the quality of that. I mean, you can line those two plates up and you can't tell the difference. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. We're going to try to get some other stuff dialed in today.